Hello friends, welcome back to another video. In this video guide, I will show you how to fix Highguard game not opening, not launching, crashing at startup, not loading, lagging, freezing or other issues on Xbox. So let's jump to the solutions. So the very first method is to restart the game. For that, select your game from home screen. Now press menu button on controller and then select quit option. Finally restart your game and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to check for Xbox updates. So make sure your Xbox console is updated to latest and not running on outdated version. For that, open settings on your Xbox and select system and then select updates. Here check if any update is available and then click it to begin the updating process. Once the Xbox is updated, now launch the game and check. If not, next is to check internet connection. For that, open Xbox menu, select settings, then select network settings, then click on test network connection. Now wait for some time to complete and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next is to perform a power cycle. For that, press and hold Xbox button for 10 seconds unless it gets switched off. Now unplug power cord from console for 1 minute. Next, plug in console again and switch on your Xbox by pressing the button. Next is to check for Highguard update. So you should make sure that the game is updated and is not outdated, because the developers of the game often releases patches to deal with several kinds of bugs or other issues. So make sure you check if there is any update available, and once the game is updated, now launch the game and check. If not, next is to clear persistent storage. So this will help you to clear the cached data. You have to open settings on your Xbox, then select device and connections. Now click on Blu-ray, then select persistent storage and then select clear persistent storage. Next method is to clear cache of Highguard game. So for that, press Xbox guide, now click on my games and apps, then tap on see all. Here search for Highguard game, then press menu, then select manage games and add-ons, then tap on save data and then click on reserved space. Finally tap on clear reserved space. After that, launch the game and check. If not, next is to remove and re-add account. For that, press Xbox button on to open guide. Now click on settings under profile and system. Next go to account and then click on remove accounts. Here choose the account to remove and then select the remove option. After that, add the account again and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next is to check storage. For that, press Xbox button, then go to profile and system. Now click on settings, then click on system, then click on storage. Here check whether there is available space or not, or else delete some unused tabs or games to create space, and after that try to open the game and see if you can play it. If not, next is to reinstall Highguard game. So for that, press Xbox button controller, then move to my games and apps and select see all option. Here select Highguard game, then press menu button. After that, select uninstall. After the game is removed, open Highguard official website and download the game and then check if everything is working fine. If not, next is to contact support. So lastly, when nothing works, then it's time to take help from the support team. Go to the Xbox support and tell them the issue you are coming across. You can raise a ticket to let them know about the error. They will better guide what to do, or else they will try to resolve it from their end, so that you can be into the game once again. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.